Hello YouTube people, today I am going to show you a very simple little project that I did on a Casio watch. Some time ago I had Casio MTP-V003 with stainless steel case, which I have worn quite a lot and got many scratches. So what I did, actually took a kitchen sponge and brushed that watch off with rough side of a kitchen sponge, and that watch ended up looking rather cool, like some kind of field style watch with some glowiness, some glowy shininess on the case. It was looking really good. So I was wondering what would happen if I would do the same on chrome plated case. So for that specific reason I bought this old beaten up Casio watch. I paid €7, and what I did, I took it off of its original bracelet, nasty bracelet, throw it away, replaced it with this beautiful leather strap. I replaced scratched mineral crystal with this sapphire crystal, and I did the brushing with kitchen sponge. And surprisingly, kitchen sponge was not affecting this chrome plating much. I was hoping to remove a little bit of that chrome plating off the watch, and that just wasn't happening. So what I did, I sanded this watch down with sandpaper grid 800, then a little bit softer sandpaper grid 1500, and finished it off with the rough side of the kitchen sponge. And surprisingly, this chrome plating on the watch is so durable. I was only able to remove it from the edges. So it looks like some kind of two-tone watch. It looks like an old coin right now. The looks not for everyone, but me personally, I actually like how it ended up looking right now. That's exactly the reason why I'm making this video right now. I just want to share the end result, how it looks like. Because right now, this watch looks like it has some character. It's personalized watch. It's my watch. That's what I did this to this watch, you know. Now it has sapphire crystal and this beautiful leather strap, new battery, and the case is all looking like, it's difficult to explain, but it looks like it could tell some stories, you know, it has some history behind, and it also looks cool. It has this glowy effect. I actually like the end result. It's looking like old but fresh at the same time. It's difficult to explain, but it's like it has this almost nostalgic look, I would say. And overall, this watch is amazing. I really like it. It's very cool daily watch, has day and date complications, and I really like that it doesn't have lume on hands, on indexes. It's just, you know, hands and indexes are just clean and shiny, and I really like that. I really like that this watch doesn't have that low quality lume. It looks more purposeful. And another thing that I like a lot about this watch is that it has straight and lugs. I mean, not the lugs itself, but the case is completely straight between the lugs. That's why this watch looks so good on the straps. There is no roundiness going on. I mean, overall, this watch, the shape, the proportions, the functionality, everything is, I think it's wonderful daily watch, especially right now, which I'm not afraid to scratch it at all, because it has sapphire crystal, it has this case which I can actually brush anytime I want, a bit more, and overall this watch just looks very cool. I like it a lot. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. This is how it looks like right now, and I know this is not for everyone. Some people might say it looks completely, you know, ugly right now, disgusting. Not for me, not for me. I like this kind of look, that this watch looks aged, but actually it is old watch, so it's not like it's aged, it's just refurbished a little bit. Anyway, where I'm gonna place this watch, not this particular watch, but this model in general, on my website thomaswatchreviews.com, where I rate watches into different tier lists. I think this watch is not bad. It's a cool watch, you know. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. That's where it goes. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.